guys, welcome to another video. For today we're gonna do a DIY distressed fashion look. We're using my black sweater today. This sweater only costed me $3 at Goodwill, so you don't have to spend so much money on a ripped sweater or ripped jeans. You can easily do it with scissors or with sandpaper, etc. So without further ado, let's get to it. Materials needed for this DIY is a pair of scissors, obviously, you know, common sense, a razor. I'm also going to be showing you different methods and materials that you can use to create this distressed look. So you want to make sure that you lay your sweater out on a flat surface before you start cutting away. I also recommend thrifting your sweater. Just in case you make a mistake, it won't be that big of a deal. It's only like $3, pretty cheap. Now we're going to be using the razor to go over the cutted areas just to give it a nice effect. Create these little circles, give it a twist, and cut away. Start by cutting small and big circles so you can have more variety and patterns. Dude, that's a big cut. Man. Ugh. Ow. Boo boo. And like I was saying, you want to give your sweater more variety of circles. So I want to create smaller circles by plucking my sweater with the ends of my scissors. You can also use nail clippers to give it a nice threading. It gives it a cool distressed effect on the knitted sweater. Now if you want to get more into detail, you can use any pointy object. I'm using the end of my pen to just pluck away and create a nice web effect. To give my sweater more texture, I'm going to be scratching upwards and downwards repeatedly all around my sweater. Hopefully you guys enjoy my DIY videos. If you like these videos, leave it a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below if you want more. Peace out.